you can make your text bold in iPhone. Do you guys want to make your text bold in iPhone? If you do, this video is for you. Before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us begin. First, open up your settings, and after you open your settings, just scroll down till you find accessibility. Now open it up, and right there under vision you will see display and text size. Tap on display and text size. Right there you will see bold text option on the top. Now just toggle that button off, and as you can see, my texts have been bold automatically. Now if you turn it off, it will go back to normal. If you toggle it on, your text will get bold. And yeah, that is basically it. That is how you make your texts bold in iPhone, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.